Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi's done it again. If you've been watching any of my WordPress videos here, you'll know that I love this Divi theme. I've used it so much, it just keeps getting better and better. And they've done it again. They've added a new feature. If you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, I suggest you give it a look. And you can try it out from a link below this video. The new feature that they've just added over at Elegant Themes is a bulk edit feature, which means we can edit several modules at once. So let's get started and demonstrate that. I'm going to enable my Visual Builder. And to start, let's just duplicate this row here. There we go, we've got a block of blurb type modules there. Now, the new feature, if you hold down the Control key on your PC or Command key on your Mac and hover over a section, it'll show you what's going on in that section. So you can discover what the elements are. Now, with the Control or Command held down, you can select that element and select another element and select another one. Now if I click on one of our editing cogs right here, we can style all 5 of those modules at once. Let's perhaps give it a different background. As you can see, that's given that a completely different background color there to all 5 of those at once, which is such a time saver. You can really restyle a page very quickly indeed. Okay, and now I've done that, let's select the rest of them, and I can add a bit more padding here because now they're a different color. I see the writing, and that's going all the way to the sides and the little icons on the top there. So I've selected all 6 of them now. Hit the little cog there. And let's add a little bit of spacing. I'll give them 25 pixel round, I believe. 25, hit the little link, it'll do the other one. There we go, I've just added padding to all 6 of those at one time. Of course you can continue. Let's just give it a little box shadow, how about that? Let's make that a little more prominent. There we go, you can see the sides a bit better now. And you can select many different things. You don't have to select the same modules to do that with. You can select different types of modules. Won't do these because that's a column background image there, so I can select what's in it, but not the actual column. For instance, I've just left clicked to deselect everything that I had selected there. So let's select, say, this one, and I'll select the writing column that's in here. Now I'm going to copy modules, new row. I wonder if I have to put a row of 3 in there. Let's see. Paste modules. Just right clicked. I see. And then you can move the modules where you want them. Of course, we can't see this one because it only appears when I hover on there, but you get the idea. So it's a really useful feature. It really is absolutely wonderful and makes life a lot easier. And you can copy and paste several things very quickly. Take that one, this one. Actually, we've got the rows there, so let's just deselect that. Let's take this. Take that row, and this one, and this one. Let's drag them down and see what happens. I don't quite know where I'm going to put these. Let's try putting them right there. There we go. How cool is that? It's actually taken that section and it's taken that row that we've copied and it's put them all together, which is pretty cool. Let's just get rid of that one. Just can't really see it. Now let's take, holding down Control, again, those two, and this one, and this one. And you've got to remember it's going to move these unless I copy them. Now let's just move these down below this section and see what happens. Oh, moved them into the footer. I didn't quite want them there. Can we do that? Can we? There we go. Now, of course, you can just move these where you want them. So that's really handy for mixing and matching sections and styles. Makes life so easy, it's just unbelievable. And let's put these two modules back in there. So let's select this one, Control, and Control again. I've got that module there. Just click on Control, got that one, and Control, got that one. This time I'm going to right click on it, copy modules, and select paste modules in here. Move that one back up to where we want it. That is so handy, it really is. Let's perhaps move this one over. And delete this one. Now let's select these 1, 2, 3. Let's add some animation. That's cool. Okay, so let's save that. And let's change that to single row. There we go. And let's lose this row. There we go. So we've totally redesigned this page in about 5 minutes or so. And it really has made things really interesting. I don't know why we've got so much space there. Oh, I see. Oh, we've got another block here. Let's get rid of that. There we go. And we can also get rid of that row. Like I say, the visual builder with this new feature of the bulk editing, how easy was that? It was absolutely ridiculous. So there you have it. There's how to copy, paste, and bulk edit various modules with the new Divi features. Like I say, you can give it a try down below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.